Look at that car.
That green thing.
Look at my life, I'm grateful.
Green thing. On the dyno? I thought I might. Should I?
Dyno, you got
Should
to
I?
now.
Should I? It's gonna be base numbers, nothing crazy. They got all the build cars and all that shit over here, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna check it out, see what the word is for sure. Ain't that right, Boogie? We're gonna get on the dyno.
Hey, that's right. Hey, check it out. So, McDonald's, Sweet Tea.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yo, hey, hit me with the sponsor, McDonald's.
Yeah.
The sponsor, JBA. Hey, JBA, hit me with the sponsor, too. Just saying.
Hey, K&N. Hey, K&N, like that real.
Yo, K&N. Hey, I need a filter. Let me know.
Bro,
Let me
literally. We're going up, bro. That part right there.
I need a new one. I need a new one. It's broken. That shit broken.
Hey, hey, K&N, get us right, man.
I'll show you. I'll show you.
Get us right, man. Right, for real. We finna go check it out. Jesus Christ. We got all the whips over here. We got whips over here. We gonna check it out, man. Let's get it popping. Let's get it popping. Copyright me, man. Make sure you, I guess, follow him or her, I guess. We got what is this? We got a Scatpack. This is clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This is hella clean. Super clean. Look at the wheels, bro. Clean. Like a little wide body kit. I like this a lot. Look at the hood. Beamer. Seen that Scat before. Another Scat as well. Bag Life 392. We got them out here for sure. Let's see what's over here. Z. Oh, that's that dude that got the Whipple Mustang. That motherfucker clean, my boy. Look at that. Absolutely clean, bro. Ooh. That doesn't get any better than that, I'm not gonna lie. We got another Z right here. I need damn, I only got my phone. We're gonna see what the boy talking about. My boy got a Whipple Scat.
Yo, listen.
Yummy.
Listen to this, bro.
Get down for the two.
No way. I don't even be watching anime. I'll start watching anime for her though, for sure.
For weave, that's what I'm talking
Man.
about. You gotta get that.
Oh yeah. I'll start watching anime now for sure. I think that's more hentai, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Hey,
That's hentai.
it don't matter, same difference.
It's the same thing.
Okay, we got a little Mara action. Okay, a little
slow Mara.
All right. Hey, nothing beats this blue Mara over here, though.
Look at this slow Marrow.
Hey, look at that little Mara right
look at that
there.
blue Camaro. Ew,
Oh, hey,
with the
don't mind us.
underglow.
Don't mind us.
With the underglow.
Don't mind us.
No.
Don't do it, girl.
That's going on the tube for sure.
Put it on the YouTube.
See that my calculus covered.
Put it on the YouTube.
I want to race this one so bad so I can give it some fucking tail lights. No, not in this.
Come on, dog.
Come on, bro. Let me show y'all something real quick. I don't think you've seen, Boogie. I don't think you've seen. Wow, look. That's crazy. The Taggy is crazy.
Bro, you didn't get that?
No, what happened?
His tire was off the ground.
No, hold up.
Ground.
Oh, bro, it's different. God damn it, I'm over here missing shit.
I gotta tell you though, hey, my girl Danny Gaffney, bro.
Who?
Let's be real.
Bro, Danny can get to smoke any day she wants. Look, come here. Come look at this. Come look at this, Boogie. Because I don't think you've seen, bro. I don't think you've seen, bro. Come on. Who's that? What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Hey, this is something, bro. What's going on here?
Bro, that's not gonna matter.
Hey, what happened?
Bro,
Where'd
she's
that
gonna
go?
love these taillights, man. I'm trying to tell you. Danny, come get this Gap, little girl. Come get this Gap, little girl. Come get this Gap, little girl. Yeah, Danny, I'm calling you out, man. Weight reduction. Don't think
the front seat yet?
Not yet. I'm about to take it out. Probably.
You better take them cowboy boots out too. Them bitches weigh you down.
Come on, bro. I'm the best. What's it called in Spanish? Cowboy. Hold on. Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Fucking ranchero. Yeah.
We about to be in for a minute.
Let it work.
Be here for a good 10 minutes.
Come on, bro. I'm the best ranchero you're ever gonna see in your life. Hey, don't let me get the gators. You see me with the gators, it's over.
Hey, man, don't tell me that the cowboy boots are the driving shoes.
Nah, hell no, hell no. Hey. No, that's for work. That's for work, bro. I promise you, I put these bitches on for work. I'll be driving. I get to work, then I put the boots on. Simple. I'll be comfortable.
What else we got? What else we got in the lineup? Let's go check.
I don't know. I don't. Oh, we haven't even walked down here yet. We gotta see the.
Hey, don't be filming the fishbowl like that, dog.
No way, bro. It's fish bowling. We can't do that.
Hey, you know why it's like that though?
Why?
Hey, because you know what? When I'm flying by, screaming down the way, they can at least see me, see my face.
No way.
Oh, yeah.
See, I like. See.
Hey, look at that. That's felt too. Look
Yeah,
at
let's see that.
Hey,
Yeah. See, I like that. I like that.
Here you go.
I like that.
Look at. Go ahead.
I know the females love it
Look at
too.
that.
The females love it too. Hold on.
That's right.
Let's switch slides. Let's switch. Let's switch. Let me get that. Let me get that. I know the females when they be getting in, they be like, "Ooh, wee boogie, I like this."
There you
Be
go.
like, "Don't worry about it, baby."
Okay.
He said he got the silk sheets at the crib. It's waiting for you, baby. Don't worry about it. You got the silk sheets so you can feel sexy, baby. Don't worry about it. We got them out. Where? The yellow? That's the yellow one? The yellow one's a Hellcat with the Lambo doors? Is crazy. Hey, if money allows it, fuck it, bro. Go ahead and do your thing.
Said he paid 80 for it.
Paid 80 bands? 80 bands for what? The cat?
Okay, yeah.
What year is it?
I don't know. I asked him a long time ago.
Jesus Christ.
Look, that's the one with the fucking wheel.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy. What? Hey, what's up, baby? What you trying to do? Oh, shit. We're fools, bro. We are absolute fucking. What up, baby? Whoa, what up, baby? Stop.
You know what I mean?
Bro, I'm saying, dog. I'm saying. Ooh, big kitty cat. I need me one. I'm gonna get one for sure. This motherfucker clean. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, the 5 spokes. The 5 spokes.
Oh, wait, they actually come here. Turn around, dude. Turn around. Ooh.
Are you?
No way.
Make our way that way.
I'm trying to see what's going on here. Try to see it. What the? Oh. No way. Woo. No way. We just spawning in, bro. Oh. Go ahead. Let me see something. Go ahead. No space. All right, don't get hit by the car, man. Rev it.
Oh, shit. Rev it.
Oh!
I'm not lying.
I like that. Oh, hey, chill, buddy. What is this? Is it AMG? I bet you it's the C63. Bro, the C63s are fucking insane, dog. I think it's the C63. Is it? It is, actually. God damn.
Oh, you check out this Beamer? This Beamer's sick.
No, this Beamer's cold, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I need me one, I ain't gonna lie. This shit's clean. With the duck wing? Oh yeah, that's clean. With the quad exhaust tips.
Bro, you can't forget to stop.
Oh yeah, I want the runs with the C8. Whoever, I want the runs with the C8 for sure. Oh, temporary tags. Yeah, I need that smoke. I need all that. Bro, Mustang. The Mustang on slicks is crazy. Ooh, the Beamer sounds good. I ain't gonna lie.
This don't make me pop a little fucking on your bitch. I make that little tell you. I push up, look at sporty, and make this face blow. These niggas got me screaming. I'm Southside still the chicken in the section. If they got a problem with me, bitch, I'm ready to leave. Bitch, I'm better to eat. I got hustle in the yard.
We got there
Really,
too
bro?
late.
Really, bro? You gonna get all of
Too
it?
late, bro.
Bro.
It's always when something's going on too.
That's when you're late, bro.
I fucking missed it, dog. Bullshit.
Gosh, we gonna get a lot of that.
Yeah,
Just wait on it. Just wait on that.
Facts.
Just wait on that.
Jesus Christ. All up in the way and shit. Dude.
This joint to you.
No way, bro.
Like 19 cents.
He's a 10, but he got that at the phone.
I don't know how to take video.
No, he said, I don't know how to take video. No way, bro. Bro really took out the iPod.
iPod Nano.
Wait, what's going on now?
They're telling everybody over.
You're gonna want to run all the way to the back, bro.
Really?
2 steps.
No way. Hey, let's go.
You got the best seat for the house.
Are they doing it in the back or in the front?
You want to be the first one.
Somebody, put your flashlight on your phone. Get their asses in here.
I'll get my ass in there.
I just hold you up next time, huh?
Oh, bro, it's on the ladder with the heat, man. So we gotta go this way? He said we gotta go around back. Yeah, let's go.
Start doing it right now.
Let's step it. Let's get to stepping. I know, right? Oh no. We going to the back.
Hey, you know what?
What's good? Hey, it's going on the tube, man.
Recording on my iPod fucking net.
Oh! Come on, bro.
There's no way that thing has a camera on it, bro.
What's good?
What is that, like 4 megapixels?
Yeah.
Yo, look at that. Hey, but you know what? That's gonna be sick ass throwback quality right there.
It is. All on the budget for real though. You know how it be?
Yeah,
Stop, bro.
I'm about to take off all the storage out here for the one video. It's gonna be a 30-second video. That's it. No more.
It's gonna overheat. He's like, I can't handle this. Oh shit. Oh man. Fuck no, dude. That's 1,000 cc. That's a fire blade, bro.
Sit on it or no? That shit goes still, bro.
I don't like the tippy toes. All right, bro, I don't know.
I ain't even gonna lie. I'm trying to get. Low key. I thought about getting one. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, look. Which one?
Definitely over 700 cc's for sure. Kawasaki maybe. I'm just saying. I was supposed to get one like last year, bro.
ZX12?
No bullshit, bro. I was literally at the shop, bro, ready to sign my life away, bro.
No way.
No bullshit, bro. I'm about one of them joint. I'm ready by the
Go ahead, get ready, get lay. Go ahead, land it with the helmet on, with the visor on. Hey, my helmet is in the whip. You seen it?
Bro, I did see it.
You seen it? I should probably just bring it.
Riding them cowboy boots. Got this. Don't let it go.
Oh my God. Pop clutch, pop clutch, pop clutch. Oh, shit.
He just paused from his right that.
Yeah, he. Oh.
Performance shop. Now, as promised, the two-step competition hosting Team Honda.
Zoom in on that.
Hot in 4K.
Look at
Hungry
the
ass
Dusty.
Danny.
The dustiness.
Where were you at? You wasn't over there with us. Where was you at?
I was grabbing food and I wasn't.
Head blown the fuck out. Yo, chill.
So what'd you get?
I got a salad taco. Quesadilla.
That's it.
Yeah. This is like dusty. I don't want to drink it.
Damn. Well, I'm kind of hungry.
Hey, you too, bro. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He saw you.
Bro, why you always recording me? I know I'm like, you know what I'm saying, the show and whatnot, but like, bro.
They gonna love you on the
Come
two.
on, bro.
They love you on the two. Which one? I don't know.
Whoa, soon to come. Wait for him.
John, you saw the burnouts you were doing on my story. Burnout post?
Bro, burnout contest would be crazy.
Dude, that would be kind of insane.
I'll get in that for sure.
I get to swing in it right now.
Bro, he talking about a playground. Hoonigan.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yo. That would be crazy.
That'd be fucking dope. Get to this shit. Get busy, get busy, get busy.
It's not warm.
Not warm enough.
Warm it up. Smoke.
This shit sound better than mine. She whipped out a dick that was bigger than mine. I'm a fucking fool, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I done
See this?
in a whole bunch of views
see all
today.
this is how you end up on YouTube Shorts. Everybody coming over here, you make that little exit, yeah, you gonna end up on YouTube for sure.
Yeah, right.
But I'm gonna put you on YouTube right here.
One of the two,
You know what I'm saying?
one of
We
the two.
outside.
Stop
We outside.
playing.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Hell, motherfuckers out here, man. You know Metro posted somewhere over here, bro. Somewhere over here. They're just waiting, bro.
Get ready for it.
Are they over there? We're over there, bro, for sure. No, not with the telescope. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Hey, he took a right. He took a right, nigga. He took a right. Get that nigga.
No way. Yes, sir.
What's up, oh, woman out here, man.
Oh, fuck. That's funny.
Coming down the street, you was like this, swerving and shit.
I got you.
Don't think it ain't on me. In the club with these Glock in my honey. You make the wrong move, you can't sing with your own.
Shut that quiet shit up, man.
I know, right? Shit. And that's what that headers, bro. Secret sauce.
Here?
Mustang got the cake. I ain't gonna lie.
Tight
He's
shit.
like, shit, he got it. He got it. He got it. He got it.
That's a chick.
That's a nigga.
That's a stupid ass.
Come on, bro.
Damn. That's it? That's all? Hey, tell them to keep that shit quiet. They shit slow. You hear me?
Hey, who wants to run stuff? Hey, anybody can get there.
you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You're doing the parking lot. It's not the street, please.
Yeah, I need to run.
All right, gang. You already know I'm out.
Be easy, G.
Hey, you as well.
Yes, sir. I'll see you Saturday.
Yeah, HHC.
Saturday. Ooh, don't get hit, Boogie. Don't get hit. JBA's for the win, man. I gotta get me some batteries, bro. Bro, it's...
Alright, don't run me over. Going that way. Okay, so don't run me over. Yeah.
Go ahead, bro. I got you on video, gang.
Hey, you already know, gang.
Well, please, wave at him, goddammit.
No,
Somebody got
man.
a fishbowl.
Hey, no.
Somebody got a fishbowl.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So which one are your homies on the race?
Yeah, the last call.
Oh, y'all see it, man. Hold up. Let me get y'all right. 2023, bro. Swinger.
Hey, I just sold one of these fuckers on my dealership.
You got a swinger?
How much they went over sticker? We're putting you on blast.
Man, it's 5,000 over sticker. Next year will be 10,000 over sticker.
That's crazy.
Buy your shit this year, you're gonna be fucking the ass.
Do you think these are gonna go up in value? Yes or no?
Be honest.
Be honest. Be honest.
It's the last year they're making
Be
them.
honest.
Last year they're making them.
It's a juggle right now. It all depends how the EVs take off. If they don't take off, they might end up going back to engine.
Where do you think EVs are gonna go? You think they're gonna plummet, or they're gonna stay kind of stagnant like they are right now?
Just like fucking Teslas, where they're gonna fuck up after in the code. It's just the truth and shit.
Right.
Hyundai sells Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 6s, and those are actually topping over Tesla. So if you're not getting those, don't go EV.
Honest man, we like that. Honest man.
It's true, bro.
It's true.
Maybe
Keeping it real. That's why I
Yeah, you're keeping it a stack. I like it.
for a car though. I got
Sheesh. I ain't paying no markup, brother. I can't do it.
My numbers. I ain't tripping. I'll give you the car.
Ah, for sure.
Hey, just tomorrow. You know?
Whoa, we don't condone that, sir.
Y'all want that shit?
Yeah, what's up? What you got? Come on, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Check it out. I'm just meeting people. Oh, hey, my homie knows you. Fucking you know a dude named what's his name? This guy. I'll show you.
It's stock.
Nah, this shit's clean though, bro.
Oh God, this bitch is stuck. It's just got a wrap in it, bro.
I fuck with the wrap heavy, dog. The stripes is tough. Look, this dude right here. He was telling me about you.
Oh, that's my twin.
Oh yeah. That's the homie, bro. Yeah.
I got this shit like 2 years ago.
How do you like it?
I'm gonna take it off.
Cheers.
I might get the, because I am thinking of upgrading to like a Hellcat wide body.
Oh, that'd be tough. Yeah.
I'm either or, bro. Like,
Oh God, you said that shit last time.
Yeah, you said a black wing.
Oh man. It's time to go.
Oh yeah, this is. And he got the Hellcat 5-spoke wheel. That shit's so clean, bro. Damn. The stripes are tough. Oh my God, bro. I'm going so bad. What the fuck? Supercharged. Come on, man. With the red interior. Come on. It doesn't get any. Oh, he said we got the. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you can't. Bro, you cannot beat this, bro. You cannot beat this. Oh my gosh. No way. Bro, imagine you get you a little shorty, you have a track hawk, you got stars in the roof, TV.
It's a pussy magnet, bro.
Oh my gosh. Come on. If you see this on the side, just know. Just know. Come on, man. With the red guts. Oh, she's going crazy, I promise you. This is so clean. Yeah, I want one now. I want one. Woo! Bro, it does not get any better than this. Bro. I'm in the track. We in the track, first time.
Yeah!
I'm scared, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Jesus! Oh my! It doesn't even spin. It just goes.
Let him go.
Oh my God. That is scary. Oh my God. That scared the dog shit out of me. Woo. Fuck. Woo. I'm passenger braking. Oh my God. Woo. That is fucking scary, bro.
Stupid.
Doesn't even spin. It just.
Bro, your fucking back's like this, bro.
Oh
your
my
front, yeah, bro.
Bro. Yeah, should I pull mine out? I'll pull mine out. I'll pull mine out. I'll pull mine out. They want to see it, man. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out. Ah.